We start preparing for Mahashivratri at least 2 to 2.5 months before. That is like around 70-80 days before the program. And then the choreography starts. I would say it's a very big learning experience for all of us. We are doing something that we have never tried before.
Every year it was challenging.
This is the first time I'm dancing with the group.
Each year I get more excited.
Even though the steps are a little hard, the whole group is like one big force which is moving me.
Always enjoy dancing with that group. Even if there's like so much work to do, you still have the whole, you always know that you have a group behind with you.
Every practice, even though it's very tiring, it's very energetic because the whole group is keeping me up somehow.
For me, the best part of Mahashivratri is working towards that day.
Like dancing with my teachers, like every time I see them dance, it's very inspiring, and now I'm dancing with them.
It's really exciting and at the same time little bit of tension because I have never danced with so many dancers at once at one stage, but it's really nice the feeling I get from all the dancers, and I have always admired the dance of the dancers at Isha Samskriti. I think I feel really lucky to get to dance with them, and that too for Mahashivratri, because the performance of that scale. So yeah, but it's more of excitement, less of tension.
I feel whenever rehearsal and things start, it's similar to kind of Kalakshetra, like morning whenever we get up, just think about rehearsal each and every day, morning till evening until rehearsal finished. And after that also, like whenever we sit down together, we talk about only about rehearsal, how we are doing, how we can improve and how we can do more better things.
I and Rishi as teachers, we have not danced as a group with them before this. So understanding the training they went through all these years and their body movements, the style. So it was a little bit of a challenge, because we are dancing as a group, we should look as one. So, but it's really a great experience for both of us.
Whole practice sessions were very joyful and was fun also.
And since it is like a huge dais and a huge audience, we use a lot of props. And since we do it ourselves here, it's not outsourced. Most of it is not outsourced. Everything is done within Samskriti.
Each and every is putting like lots of energy and all, like and because of that also we feel like wow, so beautiful, like everyone running around with props, making this, making that.
When it comes as a performance, people only see the live performance. Of course, they'll think about how much the work has gone behind the choreography and composing the music and the practice, how much practice the dancers would have gone through, the training and practice. But I don't know how many people would think about the props used, the paintings, the many things, like a lot of props we use for Mahashivratri, every performance. So of course, the whole school is working on it, and each year they, with the teachers and the students and the junior students and the sub-junior students, everyone is working on it. So like from small, just making a tassels to making a huge painting, everyone is at work.
And behind the scene, they're enjoying a lot doing whatever they're doing. Just don't feel like they're struggling to do something. They're feeling it's hard to do. But what I feel like they enjoy a lot doing all the props work, whatever they are doing?
For me, like last 1 month or 1.5 months, since this Mahashivratri practice started, I would say physically and mentally fully stretched to the core. Some of us go through around 6 to 8 hours of physical activity, just physical activity during the day. It's tiring and nice at the same time. And also in between, whenever we get some half an hour time, 1 hour time, we see what all other aspects of the dance or other aspects of the program has to be taken care of, all the accounts aspect of it, props aspect of it and all that.
It's more fun and more exciting that Shivratri is coming very close, and it's like more of a thriller.